my worst moment was when I had first time rib stress fracture, and after that I had 5 more times the same injury. You can't be 100% motivated for every training every day. Sometimes your 100% is much smaller than when you're rested and you're fully fit, but that's normal. So I would say maybe the love of the sport, of what I do. 25 years of rowing, I still love it. You need to have a good team around you, people that are wiser, especially when you are younger. Me and my brother have the same coach from beginning. He is definitely one of the reasons why we won all that medals. Definitely most important is not to give up.